What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. I do have to apologize for the way I sound. I am a little bit sick. Just ignore the vacuum in the background. It's just chilling back there, bang a vacuum. I want to make an update video and kind of include a little bit of a rant on, what I coined true meaning. I think that's what I'm going to title it, but I don't know. In terms of an update, as you all know, in my last video, I managed to get my payout, which was, I was super happy about. It was like a lifelong dream of mine to get like a, prop firm payout. So goal achieved, we can check that off. But right after that payout, I unfortunately blew the account, but I kind of knew that was going to happen because before I requested the withdrawal, I kind of made an agreement with myself that it will happen, that I will lose this account if I make this withdrawal. So I'm not really, sad about it. After that withdrawal, I came across a new prop firm called Fast Track Trading. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. It's just an instant funding. I gave that a try and I kind of got fed up with the amount of, problems they've been having with Rhythmic. It's just, very frustrating to be able to, trade within a day. The stress of trading alone is a lot, but like it's adding that unnecessary stress onto your day. So I kind of, got fed up with them that I, had two accounts with them and I purposefully blew both accounts. I opened up two contracts on Nasdaq and I said, you know what, if it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. Like I was just okay with losing the account because I don't want to, work with them now. If they end up fixing a lot of these issues, then I might reconsider going back and working with, Fast Track Trading because they have a unique business idea that could work in this future space. They just have to kind of get the bugs and kinks out of the way. Anyways, I went back to Top Step. I ended up purchasing two 50K account challenges and I am currently down 1.5%. And that's basically been an update on my current situation. Now let's move on to the second portion of this video. All right, we're going to talk about understanding profitability is what I've kind of titled this, because we have kind of disassociated the true meaning of what consistently profitability means to what some people perceive it as. This kind of came up to me when I was watching, scrolling through Instagram reels. And, I think we've all came across this video or this reel where, you would have a woman, a child, a man, a house, and beautiful cars, and on the screen, the text would read, "Oh, why did your dad work so hard?" It's like these super cringy motivational trading videos that we've all seen. And so I kind of came up with this thing where I'm like, maybe new beginner traders don't fully understand what consistently profitability is. Maybe these, Instagram reels or these influencer videos or these fake gurus have kind of unintentionally, defined what consistently profitability means. And I was a victim of it myself. So I think a lot of people see consistently profitability as this sort of, like item that once they get, they'll be able to, unlock a new level of this world. They'll be able to now afford nice cars, nice houses, nice clothing, nice jewelry, nice whatever they want, anything materialistic they want, they can now afford it once they have become consistently profitability. Now, I'm a gamer myself, so I'm going to use some gaming analogy here. You got to think of it as like this. I think a lot of these new beginners are like, for example, level 10, and they're trying to get this item, which is like a level 700, say for example, sword, that you have to progressively grind the game to fairly achieve this sword. And I feel like a lot of these new traders or new beginners, they want to find a shortcut to this sword so that they can use it to advance within the video game, so that they can use it to kill all like the level 50 bosses or whatever that you have to get through to get to the sword. Whereas the people who have grinded for the sword have like a different meaning to what the value of this sword can give them in terms of progressing in the video game, where these new beginners they just want to take it to use it and fight it off and people like that. And I feel like that's what's kind of been happening with this world of trading. It's not the fault of these influencers. I think it's just kind of like a misunderstanding that came through, that once they've achieved this sort of consistently profitability, that they can now, like I said, achieve all these materialistic wants. But we have to bring it down to its simplistic terms. If you just say the phrase consistently profitability, the meaning is in its title. It just basically means that you're consistently profitable, that you're green more than you are red. That's it. It does not mean that once you've achieved this way that all these stuff will come along. No, it's just a phrase. It just means once you are green, most of the time you are tossed into the basket of being a consistently profitable trader. And that's what I kind of want to to talk about in this video. And if you're someone who, has come across or aware of yourself that you have this unhealthy, relationship with this phrase, then just simplify it for yourself and, rebuild upon it. I feel like once you've simplified this phrase, you would start to respect what you do. You will start to respect your trading system, and your trading will improve overall. And I can say that wholeheartedly because I was a victim to it, and I've kind of been aware to this change that has been happening towards myself. Like now, every time I lose, I don't beat myself up. I don't get down about it. I don't blame my trading system. I don't blame the markets. I don't blame anything. I'm just like, you know what? It was just a bad day. Let's see what I did wrong. Let's see what I can improve the next day, and let's move forward instead of trying to beat myself down or blame something else. Like I said, you would also respect your trading system a lot more. You would consider it as like a business partner, quote unquote, to this industry. But yeah, I kind of wanted to make this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of people are not going to watch it because most people want to watch me get the payouts. That's where kind of the views come. But if you did in fact enjoy watching this video, hit that like button and subscribe. A lot of my true fans, I would like to say, if you've made it this far to this end of this video, I'm going to say a lot of good things will be coming your way. Trust me, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. And I'll see you guys all next time. Take care.